In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out how many files are in a Google Drive folder. Whether you're managing a significant amount of files for work or personal projects, knowing exactly how many files are in any given folder can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, open up your web browser and head over to your Google Drive. You'll need to be logged into the account that has access to the files you're interested in. Once you've got that all set up, navigate to the specific folder where you want to find out the number of files. You can do this simply by clicking on the folder in the left-hand sidebar or searching for it using the search bar at the top. Once you're in the desired folder, look for the column on the right side of the page. This area shows the file information, such as the owner's name, file size, and most importantly for us, the total number of items within the folder. If the information isn't visible, try resizing the window or adjusting the columns to ensure you can see the entire folder details. If you prefer a more detailed view, you can switch your folder view to a list format. To do this, in the top right corner of the Google Drive page, click on the View button. It looks like a grid if you're on the grid view or like lines if you're already on the list view. Switch it to a list view if it isn't already set, as this makes it much easier to see all the files and information clearly displayed. After doing this, scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll notice that the total number of items in the folder, including files and subfolders, will now be visible. If there are multiple pages within the folder, make sure to load all the files by scrolling down or clicking the Load More button if it appears. It's important to note that if your folder contains subfolders, each subfolder is counted as one item, regardless of how many files are inside it. So, if you're looking to count files specifically, you'll want to delve into each subfolder and tally them up individually. Now that we've gone through the steps to check how many files exist in your Google Drive folder, you're equipped with the knowledge to manage your digital documents more efficiently. Having this information at your fingertips can streamline your organization efforts, making your workflow smoother and more effective. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy organizing!